very shortly. Typhoon display for 2025. Half horizontal into I told you some great vortices with this aircraft, especially in this weather. So that's a corkscrew out towards our right hand side, but because he's in complete reheat, he's going to come back in for a loop into a barrel roll over the cloud from right. The aircraft is going to accelerate to 500 miles an hour. Full reheat from those EJ200 engines. Definitely having an effect on the seagulls, that's for sure.
The seagulls,
they're all moving off land. Now watch as he corkscrews back in. Inbound barrel roll. Negative 3G turn. There's that outside turn. 3 times his own body weight, pushing all his fluids up his body really hard. Now corrects back into positive G. Pitch the aircraft up into the vertical. And just pull it over at the top and watch the aircraft speed up. It's still in full reheat. The aircraft back around from our left hand side. This time he's going to go into what's called an inverted pass, upside down to your knee. And then a negative half cubic. So he's pitching the aircraft into knife edge. There into the inverted, upside down. And then, oh, that horrible negative G again. On the outside, pulling the aircraft up into the vertical and rolling around. And he'll come back on that half Cuban. Get ready for a high-speed pass. It's going to be fast, loud, and just under 700 miles an hour. cool, isn't it? Okay, now we've had the high-speed pass, so now we're going to see a little bit of the slow. This is where the flying control systems take on board. If you've got binoculars or a camera with big lens on it, have a look at the canards on the front. They're the little wings just underneath the canopy. They're called canard wings. They'll be flicking. So the input into the fly-by-wire system is doing 4,000 calculations a second. And it's got 3 flight systems. See how he transitioned from that slow part of the display. And you can see a max rate turn. Ultimate pass. This is the only way to depart an airfield vertically. He's going to point the aircraft up and he's just going to zoom climb to 10,000 feet. Just like that. I think Ryanair are looking into that, see if they can get up quicker as well, get you over to Dublin. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the Royal Air Force Typhoon display team. How good are they?